Hey there, knife enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cutting straight to the point with the 8 best tactical pocket knives of 2025 for camping, hiking, and collecting. I've tested each of these blades myself to bring you the most honest review possible. From collectible pieces to everyday workhorses, we're covering options for every need and budget. Let's dive in. First up is the Billy the Kid Revolver knife, a perfect blend of function and collectability. This 7.5-inch knife features William H. Bonney's image on its handle, giving it that authentic Wild West appeal. The 3.5-inch blade is crafted from 3CR13 stainless steel, sharp out of the box and built to last. What really sets this knife apart is the unique revolver-style handle and reliable lockback mechanism. This provides both distinctive looks and practical safety, ensuring the blade stays locked during use. At 8.7 ounces, it has a substantial feel without being too heavy for everyday carry. It comes in this elegant gift box, making it ideal for collectors or as a present for any knife enthusiast in your life. If you're looking for a piece that combines historical appeal with everyday functionality, this is it. Next is the Trigger 44 Mag knife with assisted opening. This knife immediately catches the eye with its realistic design. The spring-assisted opening mechanism allows for quick, one-handed deployment, essential when you need your blade in a hurry. The black aluminum handle not only looks tactical, but provides a secure grip in various conditions. Users consistently report that this knife looks even better in person than in photos, and the quality exceeds expectations at this price point. The blade comes sharp and maintains its edge well through regular use. It even includes this protective pouch for storage. Whether you're opening packages, cutting cordage, or handling everyday tasks, this knife combines distinctive style with practical performance. For those who prefer something more compact, the mini gun pocket knife delivers big performance in a small package. Don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse tackles everyday cutting tasks with ease. The premium materials ensure durability despite its compact footprint, with a blade that maintains its edge through regular use. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use, even for extended periods. It's lightweight enough that you'll forget it's in your pocket until you need it. This knife is perfect for both men and women who want a reliable EDC that doesn't take up much pocket space. It also makes an excellent affordable gift option for anyone who appreciates practical tools with style. Collectors, you'll want to pay attention to this one. The Jesse James gun and bullet knife set offers something truly unique. This set includes both a main knife and a smaller bullet knife, giving you options for different cutting tasks. The distinctive feature is the Jesse James photo incorporated into the design, making it a true collector's item. The action is smooth and satisfying, with a blade that comes razor sharp right out of the box. What makes this set special is the bonus bullet knife, a clever additional tool that complements the main knife perfectly. The set comes in this distinctive box that enhances its collector appeal. If you're looking for something that stands out in your collection while still being fully functional, this Jesse James set delivers on both fronts. The Blackwood 2.0 folding knife is where elegance meets utility in perfect balance. This versatile EDC option features high-grade stainless steel that resists corrosion and holds an impressive edge. The ergonomic handle provides exceptional comfort during use. You can work with this knife for hours without hand fatigue. Despite its capabilities, it remains compact and portable. The secure pocket clip keeps it accessible whenever you need it, whether you're heading into the backcountry or just going about your day. From slicing through ropes during a camping trip to opening packages at home or handling cutting jobs in the workshop, this knife has quickly become a favorite among EDC enthusiasts who appreciate both form and function in their everyday tools. Now for something with serious tactical appeal, the AK-47 folding pocket knife with built-in LED lighting. This innovative folder takes inspiration from the iconic firearm but adds practical features that make it perfect for outdoor adventures. The wooden handle secured with 4 corner rivets provides both comfort and durability. What sets this knife apart is its dual protection mechanism. The first lock controls the opening and closing, while the second fixes the blade in position during use. This double security system makes it one of the safest folding knives available. At 4.5 inches when folded and 8.3 inches when open, it's the perfect size for everyday carry. The reversible deep carry pocket clip makes it practically disappear in your pocket. Whether you're camping, hunting, or tackling everyday tasks in low light conditions, this knife combines tactical features with practical design. For those who appreciate classic design with modern functionality, the wood handle folding knife delivers on all fronts. With an overall length of 10.2 inches and a blade length of 3.8 inches, this knife offers substantial cutting power. The redwood handle isn't just beautiful, it provides an excellent grip while adding a touch of elegance that synthetic materials simply can't match. The 3CR13 Mauve stainless steel blade maintains its edge well and resists corrosion, making it suitable for outdoor adventures of all kinds. At 5.6 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between substantial feel and practical portability. The integrated pocket clip makes it easy to carry, securing the knife safely while keeping it accessible. This is an excellent choice for the traditionalist who wants reliable performance with timeless appeal. Finally, we have the 10 AK-47 Tactical Flipper Knife, a serious tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survival situations. This knife combines tactical features with practical design elements that make it stand out from the crowd. The anodized aluminum oxide handle ensures durability while providing an excellent grip in all conditions. One of its most distinctive features is the center of gravity ring, which allows for enhanced control and maneuverability. The imitation bone handle gives it a unique aesthetic that stands out from typical tactical knives. Like its counterpart, this model includes LED lighting that's perfect for nighttime use. The knife comes with a black canvas pouch with a belt loop, plus a pocket clip for more discreet carry options. At 10 inches when open, it provides substantial cutting power while remaining practical for everyday carry. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or preparing for survival situations, this knife delivers serious performance with distinctive style. There you have it, 8 exceptional tactical pocket knives for camping, hiking, and collecting in 2025. From collector's pieces like the Billy the Kid revolver knife to practical everyday carries like the Blackwood 2.0, there's something here for every knife enthusiast and budget. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Drop a comment letting me know which of these knives caught your eye, or if there are other models you'd like to see reviewed in the future. Until next time, stay sharp and adventure on.